How to log into Nationwide Building Society online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into the Nationwide Building Society online banking account. So let's get started. To begin, simply visit the Nationwide website, that is www.nationwide.co.uk. Once on their page, locate the Login tab on the right side of the screen and click on it. Then from the drop-down menu, click on Login to Internet Bank. Please note that you can only sign in if you already have registered your account. If not, first click on Register Now option that is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner of the screen in order to enroll for the online banking. After registering, return to the site and put your customer number in the first field. And in the case if you have forgotten your customer number, simply go ahead and click on this link to reset or retry your number. Also, input the correct date of your birth. Then after, if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login, simply check this box. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. Simply go ahead and click on the Continue button in order to successfully log into your Nationwide Building Society online banking account. So this is how you can log into your Nationwide Building Society online banking account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.